Renault is accelerating the international rollout of Boreal with the expansion of its production in Turkey. Boreal was designed as a global vehicle for the brand developed for multiple regions, remaining true to Renault's voiture et vivre DNA. Positioned in the high-value C-SUV segment, it strengthens the brand's competitiveness in markets where SUV demand is structurally strong. Renault's Boreal fuses the brand's new design language with its strong SUV character. Its imposing body structure, sharp shoulder lines, powerful front design, and modern lighting signature creates a striking presence at first glance. With a length of 4.56 meters and a wheelbase of 2.70 meters, the model stands out with dimensions exceeding C-segment standards, offering a spacious interior and a large trunk. The body color front grille, the new Nouvel'R logo, the slim LED headlight design and the Niagara Concept-inspired lighting signature underline the vehicle's modern character. The strong fender structure, which draws attentions in the side profile and sweeping roofline, reinforces Boreal's premium character both in urban use and on long-distance journeys. The 19-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, black roof and an electrically opening panoramic glass roof give the model an upper-segment feel. Renault Boreal's interiors offer a modern and spacious cabin that combine digital technologies with comfort. Shaped through an ergonomic design approach, the cockpit stands out with its driver-oriented layout and a large digital displays. The model comes with a 10-inch digital instrument display and a 10-inch OpenR-Link central multimedia screen. The gear shift paddles positioned between the high-functioning steering wheel enhance the interior's modern atmosphere. The ambient lighting with 48 color options can automatically change depending on multi-sense driving modes. Soft-touch interior surfaces, laser-embroidered decorative details and seats with contrast stitching reinforce the perception of high quality. The trunk capacity is 630 litre and expands to 1868 litres with the rear seats folded. The low loading threshold ensures ease of use. Renault Boreal also features the Harman Kardon Premium system developed in collaboration with Jean-Michel Jarre. The system, featuring 10 speakers with 435 watts of power, offers an immersive experience with various sound ambience options. Renault Boreal has been developed with a range of powertrain options that combine performance, efficiency, and driving comfort, including full hybrid E-Tech 160 horsepower, turbo TCE EDC 145 horsepower, and hybrid E-Tech 4x4 150 horsepower versions. In Turkey, the model will be launched with a full hybrid E-Tech 160 horsepower and turbo TCE EDC 145 horsepower engine options. The range will further be expanded in the fourth quarter of 2026 with the addition of hybrid E-Tech 4x4 150 horsepower version, which will also be offered to customers.